Meet the 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. Bright white clear coat shines. Luxury and capability blend seamlessly. Engine, V6, flex fuel, 3.6-liter for power. Fuel economy hits 17 city and 25 highway miles per gallon. Never get lost again. Your navigation system guides every journey with total confidence. Connect your world seamlessly. Bluetooth wireless keeps conversations and music always within reach. Reverse with confidence. The backup camera gives you eyes where you need them. Park like a pro. Rear park assist makes tight spots a breeze. Stay cozy on chilly drives. Heated seats bring warmth straight to you. Enjoy personalized comfort. Dual power seats adjust perfectly to your every preference. Stability control keeps you confidently on course, even when roads throw surprises. Traction control grips the road, giving you secure, worry-free acceleration every time. Braking four-wheel braking delivers controlled stops, no matter how sudden the situation. Dual airbags protect you and your passenger, always ready for the unexpected. Side airbags shield you from side impacts, enhancing your peace of mind. Front and rear head curtain airbags offer complete coverage and added reassurance. Knee airbags provide extra protection, guarding lower body safety with every drive. Anti-theft system stands guard, protecting your vehicle from unwanted attention and threats. Hill descent control manages steep drops, letting you conquer slopes with total confidence. Uconnect keeps you in control and connected wherever the road takes you. SiriusXM satellite lets you enjoy endless music and talk anywhere you go. AM/FM stereo delivers classic radio entertainment and reliable sound on every drive. Experience true comfort and convenience behind the wheel with features like keyless entry, air conditioning, and power, everything designed for your lifestyle. The rear spoiler adds a sporty touch, elevating both style and aerodynamics. Take your drive to the next level. Schedule your test drive today.